Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and today I'm going to show you how to decorate this beautiful wooden box which can be used for storing your jewelry items and lots of other stuff. So these are the requirements that you're going to be needing. Make a note and let's get started. So I'm using this wooden box which has this lock and you can use any kind of box that you have. I just bought it from an Instagram craft shop and you can buy it from anywhere. As you can see, it's a pretty huge box and you can store your jewelry items as well as lots of other stuff. So I'm using this pearl copper color and this is from Fabricryl, and I'm just using my simple brush to color all of the box. You can use any color here, but I really want it to be a antique wooden jewelry box style, so I use the copper color, but you can use any color that you want. And once the paint is dried, you need to decorate the box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decorate the edges of the box using this round stones. They are not exactly stones, but these are shiny things. I don't know what they are exactly called, but these you can call them as paper stones, and these are easily available, and I have just used to decorate all the edges of the box, as you can see. And to decorate the top of the box, as that will be most visible in your box, I'm going to decorate it with a beautiful lace. You can use anything that you have in your like collection. You don't have to use anything new, and you can completely use stones, mirrors, lace, or anything else. You can just leave it as very simple. You can just decorate the edge and just leave it like that, or you can make it like a lot of decorative like you can add lot of decorative items like I did, and this will be perfect for your weddings, as well as you can store lots of stuff, and you can also give this to your bride friend, as well as it is be perfect for you storing your jewelry items in your wedding day. So as you can see, I'm just using laces and stones here to decorate all the box. The styling is completely up to you how you want to decorate your box, as this is personal choice how you want to decorate it. As you can see that I'm using the stone and the laces here, and these are easily available in all the craft shop, and you can use whatever items that you prefer you want to use. I've also painted the inside of the box with a maroon color so that it looks nice. So you can decorate it with any color, or you can just leave it like that. So guys, this was it. This is how I decorated this beautiful wooden box, which is perfect for organizing your jewelry items, as well as just you can use it just as a decorative item. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Take care.